million people suffer from autoimmune disease. One of those people happens to be Amy Lacey, the creator of Cali'flour Foods.
You are what you eat.
And I think the key to life in general is everything in moderation. Health is wealth, honey.
Welcome to the Cali'flour Club.
Cheers.
Okay, I am here with Jordan Harvey and Christian Ramirez, the stars of the Major League Soccer team, LAFC. Is that good? Is that an awesome intro?
Oh,
You like that?
Yeah,
I'm like y'all's
the
hype
stars.
girl.
The
I'm the hype girl
stars.
because today we're having a cauliflower pizza off. And I am gonna be the judge. I'm really excited about this. Now, you guys do your thing. I'm gonna give you 1 minute to put all the toppings that you think that I will like the most. And whoever wins the Cauliflower King Award.
I don't know
This is major, you guys, major.
I don't know if you being my wife helps or hurts me.
Hurts.
Definitely hurts.
Okay, good luck, you guys.
All right.
Ready, set, timer. Set the timer and go.
Okay, I'm going cold. Where are
I'm
you
going
with?
hot.
Hot?
Hot. I'm going
So
hot.
going with that first. This is the
What, I don't know what this
the
is. Oh, this is the marinara
long-awaited
sauce.
challenge. The long-awaited pizza challenge. This is hummus. We're going with hummus. We got to put the peppers on there. Maybe some.
I just go in my hands. Go in my hands.
Yeah, go for it. You washed them, right?
I think so.
Sweet. All right. There we go. And then, oh, I love olives. I'm definitely
Does
putting
your wife
some
like,
olives.
like cheese?
She loves cheese.
Okay, more cheese.
She does. I know this is competitiveness, but yeah,
Yeah.
she loves cheese. Olives are my favorite.
Bell peppers are must.
Then I'm going with,
Hold on. I brought in a few
these
extra
guys come from?
guys to help you with the competition. Okay, who's
All right,
team
who
you want
want-
to be on, Tyler?
I'm on Team Ramirez.
Yes.
I'm on team
Immediately.
Team no olives.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Olives. Oh, wow, okay.
That's cold pizza.
So no one's
Okay.
on Harvey's team.
3 against 2. Okay, so now
No
it's
one's
3
on my
against-
team?
Now it's 3
Ty,
against 3.
help me out. We
All
can
right.
pull this around.
I
But
did my
here's
part.
the thing. We have a special guest
I
that's
did
going
my
to
part.
pop in a little bit later, so that's why I can actually be on your team now. Jamie Fox, by the way, she's a total fox, you guys, is going to come in once we're done cooking, and she's going to be the judge of our taste test now that all the guys are here.
Perfect.
Okay, we have 30 more seconds to get this done.
30
Ready?
more
Go.
seconds.
Go.
You're up.
Everything
You're up.
you
You're
want,
up.
Do it.
You're up.
Okay, I'm going to do pepperoni.
That
did my
is not
part.
spinach.
Definitely pepperoni.
Pepperoni? Are you,
Oh,
are you
yeah,
on my
cheese.
team?
Peppers
Are
on.
you
Yes,
on my
I'm
team?
on your team.
All right.
Come on. Babe, I'm always on your team. Here, we got to put a little greenery on here.
Wait, you are.
Yeah. Yes, I really am. Sorry,
need more
I'm
cheese.
eating
We need more
this
cheese.
topping.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
More cheese.
We definitely need more cheese. It's a pizza, guys.
Listen, this girl is spicy, so I'm gonna put some jalapenos on here.
All right.
Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7,
Yeah.
That is-
6, 5,
That was
4,
That has no
nice.
chance.
3,
That has no
2,
chance.
I don't know what that
No
is.
chance.
stop! Hands up!
Hands up.
Okay, does everybody feel good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, we're gonna be team 1, and then you guys are team 2.
Team two.
Yeah.
Naturally.
Yeah, number 2. Anyways, okay, our amazing, gorgeous Foxy of the Foxiest Foxes is coming in to be the judge for the Pizza Off Challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, teammates. Jamie Fox, come on in here, girl. Ow. Okay, so I'm not gonna tell you whose team I'm on, but mine is the tastier one.
Okay.
And so just pick that one.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Set, go.
This is interesting.
I'm really excited.
That was a good look.
You guys are giving it away. Which team?
No, dig in there. You can take a big bite. Bigger bite.
I like that one better.
Team 1 in the house. Okay, so we are officially
Definitely
the
the olives.
Cauliflower Kings.
Definitely the olives.
Bam. Nailed it.
I like
Nailed
that
it.
one.
You're like the hottest judge of all time. You know, we used to think it was Paula Abdul, but she's come in and just taken that crown right from her. Okay, you guys, well, you know what? The decision has been made. Team 1 won the pizza challenge. But it's okay, because we're gonna be back next month, no worries. We want you guys to join in too and come along for the ride. So find out how, stay tuned, because we want you to be a part of the Pizza Off Challenge as well for Cali'flour Foods. Thank you, Cali'flour, for having us. Now, preparing for some football today.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Let's get out of here, girl. Yeah, we have better things to do anyways. But we're taking the pizza.